Hi there, my name is James Evangelitis and I'm an independent consultant to the professional service sector. Recently I've authored a paper published by Thomson Reuters titled How Successful Accounting Leaders Are Deepening Client Relationships. Some of the topics covered in the paper include challenges which face the profession, to what do accounting clients really want in the year 2022, technology and how it's helped us, communicating for successful client relationships, and responding to the so-called Great Resignation. I've interviewed senior leaders at 13 firms, not the big end of town, but those firms who focus primarily on small to medium enterprises. The fact that the profession has to change gears and focus on what small to medium business needs now. They need new ideas, reinvention and execution. I'd like you to read this paper for one reason, and that is perspective. By learning from others, you get a sense that these 13 people that I've interviewed are putting clients first. And the byproduct of that is just so many benefits for the firm in terms of fees, relationships, staff morale, and so forth, okay? And perspective is a wonderful thing to have, especially in these topsy-turvy times in which we live. Please feel free to download a copy of the paper. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.